Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. From the Konkani cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare Godda Appo. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of raw rice, 1/3 cup of poha or flattened rice, 1 cup of grated jaggery, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coconut pieces, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a pinch of salt. Firstly, to begin with, wash and soak the raw rice for minimum 3 to 4 hours before further use. Next, take the poha or flattened rice and into that add half cup of water and soak this for 15 to 20 minutes before further cooking. In the meantime, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add half cup of water and 1 cup of grated jaggery. Now mix this well and allow this to cook in medium to high flame until the jaggery dissolves completely. Once the jaggery dissolves completely, allow this to thicken a little bit. And to check if it is of the right consistency, take a drop of the prepared jaggery syrup between your finger, and if it is of sticky consistency, you can stop further cooking. Next, into this add 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder and give everything a good mix and allow the jaggery syrup to cool down a bit in room temperature. Next, take a tempering pan and into that add 2 tablespoons of homemade ghee and the chopped coconut pieces and ghee roast this until they turn golden brown or aromatic. Now into a mixer jar, transfer the soaked raw rice, poha or flattened rice, freshly grated coconut and the prepared jaggery syrup and grind this until you get a smooth batter ready. Make sure the batter is not too watery and is of the right consistency as shown in the video. Finally, into this add the roasted coconut pieces and a pinch of salt and give everything a good mix. Next, take a appe pan which has pits in it and fill 1/4 portion of each pits with homemade ghee. Once the ghee is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and transfer the prepared batter in each of the pit. Now close this with a lid and allow this to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes in low to medium flame until it's completely cooked on one side. Once it's well cooked on one side, turn all the Godda Appo upside down. Now allow this to cook for another 1 more minute in medium flame. Now transfer this into a plate and repeat the process for the rest of the batter as well. Now our delicious Godda Appo is ready. This is usually prepared as a prasad or nivedyam, or it can also be prepared as an evening snack. This delicious recipe is loved by kids. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.